May I come in, sir?
Please come.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon. Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
अलंकार जी, एक्चुअली कोविड-19 की सिचुएशन को देखते हुए हम लोग एक सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग को फॉलो कर रहे हैं, इसलिए लगभग 12 फीट की दूरी एक रखी गई है, ठीक है। और हम लोग का कन्वर्सेशन मास्क पहन के ही होगा।
ओके।
लेकिन अगर आप किसी पॉइंट पे कंफर्टेबल नहीं हैं आंसर करने में, या हमें लगता है कि हम प्रश्न नहीं पूछ पा रहे हैं, तो फिर मास्क हटा भी सकते हैं, उसका कोई इशू नहीं, ठीक है।
ओके।
हाँ, लेकिन एक बार आपको मास्क हटाना पड़ेगा कि मतलब हम आइडेंटिफाई कर सकें कि आप सेम कैंडिडेट हैं।
डेफिनेटली, सर।
तो एक बार आपको मास्क हटाना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, प्लीज़
Thank you.
इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
Sir, I am an engineering graduate. I have done my engineering from BIT Mesra as a mechanical engineer. After completion of my engineering, I am currently working at Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. My optional subject is geography and my hobby is poetry.
Okay. You are Alankar
Yes, sir.
and your hobby is poem writing.
Yes, sir.
Is there any similarity?
Sir, Alankar is anything which as a prefix or suffix ornamentalize anything. So it is having a correlation, but hobby is just a natural thing. अच्छी लगी तो मैंने लिखना शुरू कर दिया सर।
Okay, okay. नाम का impact नहीं है मतलब।
नहीं सर।
Okay. As I can see in your biodata, you are working as a senior engineer in BHEL.
Yes, sir.
And now you are willing to come in administration.
Yes, sir.
Why do you think that you could be a good administrator rather than an engineer?
Sir, engineering knowledge has given me diversified experience how to tackle people, how to tackle situation, how to apply intelligence and common sense to differentiate between right and wrong and to take a decisive step which can be a good step for society. So I think I can use my engineering capability better in the field to connect with the people in a better way, use of information technology to reach the aim envisaged by government in a
No. Actually, keep you confined on my question only. I am asking, why do you think that you could be a good administrator rather than engineer? You have invested many years in your core area, and now you are shifting in administration. Why? Why is it so?
Sir, I believe I can be a good engineer as well as a good administrator as well. The reason behind shifting from engineering to administration is that here I have limited field, and by being an administrator, I will get an opportunity to work in diversified field. That's why I opt for diversity in work is the reason behind opting for administration job.
Okay, your optional is geography.
Yes, sir.
And you also have studied mechanical engineering.
Yes, sir.
There are two type of rates. One is normal lapse rate and other is adiabatic lapse rate. What is the difference?
Sir, normal rate is change in temperature of the air with respect to elevation. That is normal lapse rate. Adiabatic lapse rate is when air packet rises in the atmosphere, it expands, and while expansion, it doesn't get heat. Surrounding के साथ heat का interaction नहीं होता है सर. तो this process is adiabatic.
In a closed system.
It behaves
heat exchange,
like a closed system. That's why it is called adiabatic.
Could you tell us any application in the climate of adiabatic lapse rate?
Adiabatic lapse rate tells us about environmental stability. If adiabatic, sir, I will have to revise this concept.
Okay.
I'm unable to recall it right now.
No issue. You are mechanical engineer.
Yes, sir.
There are two types of engine. One is MPFI and other is CRDI. Could you differentiate both of them?
Yes, sir.
Please.
MPFI is multiple point fuel injection system.
Okay.
And CRDI is carbureted system. Carburetor is there.
No. I think you're wrong. CRDI.
Sir, I'm not very sure about CRDI. I know MPFI, but right now I'm not sure about
Okay,
CRDI.
okay. Recently in Bihar, Kanwar Lake was in news.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Kanwar Lake is a, sir, community reserve. It has been declared as a community reserve. It is a site which is the tourist destination for migratory birds, and it is a place of tourist destination, as well as it is also included in the list of Ramsar site. That's why it was in news, sir.
Okay. How many Ramsar sites in Bihar?
I guess, sir, it is 2. I'm not very sure, but I think it is 2.
And in India?
In India, it is around more than 30, sir.
More than 30. Okay, okay, okay. Sir.
Okay. Alankar,
Yes, sir.
we are living in information age. Information is power. It is generally said. Don't you think so? The amendment which has taken place in RTI Act, it has made the whole regime of information to at the disposal of the public or the people. It got weakened.
Sir, amendment in RTI Act is in consonance with the predefined principle. Just like RTI is not a constitutional body, so it is treated like a statutory body only. And all the amendment made in RTI Act is in consonance with that. So there is no, it can't be concluded that it is diluting the autonomy of RTI. Second thing is that, sir, if the person sitting at the post of information authority, he is a person of integrity and he is a person having all the ethos, then the autonomy and fairness and biasness of RTI will not be
If the
compromised.
information commissioners, they work under the pulls and the pressures of the government, don't you think so there may be some discrepancy between the information which is sought, or it might weaken the whole mechanism of disposal of the information? Where does the statutory thing comes into the scene?
Sir, if public is vigilant enough and will
At the same time, we have also seen in many of the cases the required information is giving in a very misled form. So the whole regime of this information is absurd. It is generally found.
Sir, there is recourse for that also. If the person who is seeking the information is not satisfied with it, he can appeal against it, and he have the option of secondary recourse to get the appropriate action. He has the option to reach the appellate tribunal. So I think
service conditions of those information commissioners has been compromised. So still you think of there is no weakening of the regime?
apart from
Salary, service conditions, appointment, all these things have been compromised.
apart from RTI, there are various institutions like Election Commission of India, who is also under the whose salary and other allowances are also decided by Parliament. Even after that, that institution is working independently. So I think the same.
Election Commission is statutory body or constitutional body?
It is a constitutional body, sir.
Okay.
But there are, I'm unable to recall the names, sir, but there are institutions which are working fairly.
Recently in Bihar elections, there were a little confusion, or you can say he was crying over, the counting of the postal ballots. Postal ballot, like whether it has to be counted in the beginning or the last. So this facility of the postal ballot is being given to which section of society?
Sir, I am unable to comprehend.
Postal ballot.
Postal ballot, there is nothing odd in whether it is counted in the beginning or it is counted in the last.
I'm asking which section of society they are generally being considered.
Okay, it is for weaker section of society. If their age is exceeding a certain limit, they are unable to cast their vote, or the person is affected by COVID. That is why he can't move to the polling center and cast his vote.
Are you guessing, or is it so? This is the case. Weaker section of society is being given the postal ballots.
Not for weaker section of the society.
You said that.
Sir, I am extremely sorry for that. This was just a slip of tongue. Actually, it is for the older section of the society who can't go to the polling station, as well as the person who is infected by COVID.
Anyone else apart from?
Sir, I am unable to.
Okay. Recently, the electoral bonds were in the news, and we have also seen through an RTI there was the information that number of the electoral bonds have been purchased with the worth of rupees 1 crore. So the denomination that carries, can you name the denomination with which the electoral bonds are being purchased?
Sir, it is in the multiple of 1,000
Okay.
denomination. It is like 1,000, 10,000, 1 lakh. 1 lakh.
Why
it
the
is.
provision of the electoral bond has been made?
To ensure transparency in the transfer of money and to prevent the black money.
Do you think
into-
like you can do the system of the electoral bond is serving its purpose?
No, sir. As per report, it is not serving the purpose because there are the process of electoral.
Then you would like to suggest done away with the system of the electoral bonds?
No, sir. Instead of doing away with the system of electoral bond, there is need of refinement in the system. Like the person who is purchasing the bond, his autonomy is his anonymity is compromised, as well as it can be checked that he is giving which party is getting fund by virtue of electoral bond. So there is need to reform the process. There is no need to remove
Right.
the system instead of that.
My last question to you. Suppose you wanted to float in a party, state party, in your state. What are those conditions?
If I want to slaughter a state party, sir, then the condition is
To be recognized as a state party,
okay.
what
to
all
be-
those criterions which are required?
Sir, I'm not very sure. Can I guess it?
Yeah, you may.
Sir, it should be the person should have at least 3% of the total vote, or if he is getting 3 seats out of the total seat in the constituent assembly election, then he can be recognized as a state party.
Which political figure you like, in the Bihar the most, which you can idealize?
Our honorable Chief Minister Sri Nitish Kumar, sir.
Nitish Kumar ji.
Yes, sir.
Any specific reason?
Sir, because he is having a predefined agenda of the election, like Sat Nishchay, 7 resolve for Bihar, and even in this election also he has given 7 resolve 2.0. Apart from that, at the time of second election, he communicated with the people of Bihar that in predefined agenda how much he has completed, and he is sincerely working to achieve that goal. So this government is having a vision, and he is working in accordance with that to achieve that vision. That's why I am in favor of.
Okay, thank you, Alankar.
Alankar,
Yes, sir.
do you have knowledge about Kosi-Mechi interlinking project?
Yes, sir. I have gone through that article.
Tell me about that.
Sir, Kosi is also called sorrow of Bihar because it is every year the problem of flood arises because of it. So in order to solve this problem, this natural catastrophe, government of Bihar has envisaged to interlink the Kosi River with the Mechi River in order to divert the surplus water from Kosi to Mechi River, and also waterside management will be there to utilize that water for irrigation and other purposes. So this is the reason
Okay,
behind it.
North Bihar is flood prone area,
Yes, sir.
while South Bihar is facing some problems of drought. So tell me 3 causes behind this difference.
Sir, first thing is that, sir, North Bihar, in the north of North Bihar, Himalaya mountain is there, and the Shivalik range is there in the topmost region of the Bihar. Shivalik is young fold mountain, so the river coming out of it carries a huge amount of conglomerates, since Shivalik is a young fold mountain. And second thing is that when it enters the plain of Bihar, the slope is almost 1:1,000 feet. So it is almost monotonous. So there is a problem of river meandering and the huge conglomerates that is brought in the course of the river movement. The deposition of that silt causes the flood in Bihar, while South Bihar is drained by the seasonal river. So just 4 to 5 months there is a surplus water. In rest of the month there is a drought-like condition in Bihar.
Okay, tell me about three major disadvantages of multi-purpose river valley projects.
Sir, first thing is that, sir, in the downstream of the project, the flow of water is regulated. So there is a problem of loss of aquatic ecosystem loss is there. It is not like a natural one. Second thing is that, sir, the people residing in the border area of the river, they are the biggest sufferer of that multi model project. And the third thing is that, sir, the silt and slit accumulation in the dam, which is established for a big project, that may cause a flood-like situation or other problem.
Do you know about Pyar Ka Paudha campaign?
No, sir, I have not gone through this.
Okay. Rank of Bihar in Indian Corruption Survey 2019.
Sir, it is 21st, I guess.
21st. Are you sure?
21st or 14th, sir. I'm not very sure, but it is having a good position. It is.
Okay. Do you have any knowledge about Vasisht Narayan Singh?
Yes, sir. Vasisht Narayan Singh is a famous mathematician. He is from Bihar.
Is?
I think recently he died. He was.
Okay. Tell me about him some more.
I'm not having more knowledge about him, sir.
Do you know about Bihari Puraskar?
No, sir.
Okay. Sir.
Alankar, you are from Nalanda.
Yes.
Who destroyed Nalanda and Vikramshila, and why?
Sir, Nalanda University is destroyed by Bakhtiyar Khilji, and the reason is that, sir, Nalanda was becoming a epicenter of knowledge, and it is gaining glory worldwide. So there was two
That
motives.
was the reason?
There was two motives behind the demolition of Nalanda temple, sir. One was its glory and people were attracted, and second thing is that impressing Islamic tradition and to establish that, and against the idol worship.
Are you sure? Both reason is valid.
I think so, sir. I'm not very sure.
Okay. Recently, BT Brinjal was in news in Bihar.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Sir, BT brinjal is a genetically modified food crop, and cultivation of BT brinjal was seen successful in Bihar, and
You are just taking a false attempt. You are not very much sure. Am I right?
BT brinjal is genetically
Why in
modified
news?
crop.
Why was in news?
I'm not very sure, sir.
You are not sure. Okay. Critically evaluate Mr. Nitish Kumar government regime at least on 3 fronts. Are you getting my question?
Yes, sir. I'm definitely getting your question. Sir, the first thing is that how the corona crisis was handled in Bihar, it would have been done in a better way. There was a scope of improvement, though with limited resources, the government has done well, but there was a scope of improvement. Second thing is that, sir, the interlinking project of North Bihar, like Kosi Mechi and the road connecting North Bihar and South Bihar, there may had been a speedy implementation of these projects, which would have expedited the process of bridging the gap between North Bihar and South Bihar. And third thing is that, sir, the development of tourism sector, which Bihar is having an immense potential, that more emphasis can be given on this sector.
What is the current status of unemployment rate in Bihar?
It is 33%, sir, while nation average is 20%.
33%?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure? Or 11.91%?
Sir, it is 7.2%, while nation average is less than that.
7.2?
Yes, sir. I'm very sure about it.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Or 11.91?
Sir, according to periodic labor force survey, It is 7.2%. It is mentioned in economic survey so far as my knowledge is concerned.
Okay. Last question from my side, Alankar. What are your strengths and weaknesses? At least 3.
Sir, my strength is that I'm a good communicator. I can easily communicate my message to the people. My second strength is that, sir, I'm a hardworking person. And third, my third strength is that, sir, I'm honest in my work. And my weakness is that, sir, I have faith on the people. I easily believe in people. That's why quite often I get deceived also, but it is just 3 out of 10 times. My second weakness is that, sir, I'm a little emotional person, so sometimes I get carried away. And my third weakness is that, sir, just these 2 weaknesses.
If we keep in our mind your weaknesses, would you be a good administrator?
Sir, I'm working on it, and I'm trying to keep my weaknesses under my control.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Alankar. You may go
Welcome,
now.
sir. Thank you, sir. Sir,
Mr. Alankar,
Sir.
how would you like to rate yourself?
sir, I think it was 4 out of 10.
4 out of
10, sir.
10. Why is it so?
सर मुझे लगा कि कई जगह पे मैं फैक्चुअली करेक्ट नहीं था और कुछ आंसर प्रिसाइज नहीं आ रहे थे, थोड़ा डिस्क्रिप्टिव जा रहे थे मेरे.
Okay. What else? कुछ और?
थोड़ा पढ़ने की ज़रूरत है सर, कुछ बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स को रिवाइज करने की ज़रूरत है.
ओके. ठीक है. देखिए, आप काफ़ी लंबे समय से जॉब कर रहे हैं और मुझे लगता है कि जो आपकी सैलरी और सारे एमोलमेंट्स वहाँ होंगे उससे कम पे मेरे ख्याल से आप यहाँ आएंगे.
हाँ सर.
ठीक है. मतलब फ्रैंकली कहूँ तो वो उस पर ज़रूर आपको ग्रिल करेंगे, ज़रूर करेंगे. तो इस पे आपको मतलब अच्छे से प्रिपेयर होना है. ठीक है. और बाकी जैसे बहुत सी चीज़ें जो बहुत अच्छी हैं आपके अंदर, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल, आप हार्ड वर्किंग हैं, वो दिख रहा है कि आपने इंजीनियरिंग का एक अच्छा एग्ज़ाम क्वालिफाई किया, आप अच्छी जगह प्लेस्ड हैं, वो सारी चीज़ें अच्छी दिख रही हैं. हाँ, लेकिन कहीं कहीं कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन दिख रहा है. ठीक है. जैसे फॉल्स अटेम्प्ट आप जैसे कैंडिडेट्स को नहीं लेना चाहिए. आप समझिए, फॉल्स अटेम्प्ट जब आप लेते हैं, मान लीजिए जैसे CRDI की बात मैंने पूछी, कॉन्फिडेंटली आपने शुरू तो किया लेकिन फिर बीच में आप फंस गए. BT ब्रिंजल के बारे में आपने एक कॉमन सेंस से बता दिया कि चूंकि GMO क्रॉप है इसलिए वो किया जा रहा होगा, जबकि उसको अभी रोका जा रहा है. उसके बहुत साइड इफ़ेक्ट है. मतलब आप समझिए, मतलब कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ फॉल्स अटेम्प्ट ले रहे हैं. इसका इम्प्लीकेशन समझिए कि इससे आपकी इंटीग्रिटी शो होती है. आप समझ पा रहे हैं मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ?
मैं समझ.
वो चीज़ अवॉइड करनी है.
डेफिनेटली.
मतलब आपका सारा इंटरव्यू बहुत अच्छा है, हम सभी लोग बहुत खुश हैं क्योंकि आप एक्सपोजर मिला है आपको और वो रिफ्लेक्शन आ रहा है और ऐसे लोगों की ज़रूरत भी है. तो लेकिन अगर इस तरह आपने अगर 2-3 जगह फॉल्स अटेम्प्ट लिया तो वो आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. ठीक है. सीटिंग पोस्चर थोड़ा सा और एकदम नॉर्मल मतलब रखिए. हाँ, ऐसे हैंड को एकदम, हाँ, नॉर्मल. ठीक है. ये थोड़ा सा है. विश जब आप आए थोड़ा सा तो चेयरपर्सन को आप करिए विश, लेकिन एक जिसको कहते हैं ना कि एक
ग्लांस.
हाँ, तो थोड़ा सा अदर मेंबर्स को भी आप वो करिए. ठीक है. मतलब एक ग्रीट करिए कि हाँ ठीक है मतलब. और जाते समय भी यही होना चाहिए. और मैं बताऊं अक्सर क्या होता है कि अगर कैंडिडेट्स का मान लीजिए लास्ट मोमेंट पे इंटरव्यू गड़बड़ हो गया, वो नर्वस हो जाता है, तो फिर जाते समय सब कुछ भूल जाता है, बस सीधे उठ के चला जाता है. तो ये चीज़ आपको मतलब आते समय भी, मतलब एंट्री और एग्ज़िट दोनों में बहुत ख्याल रखनी है. और ये प्रैक्टिस से होगी. आपको 2-3-4 बार 5 बार प्रैक्टिस करना है कि आते समय भी विश कैसे करना, जाते समय भी हैव अ नाइस डे सर, या मतलब जिस तरह भी विश करते हुए ऐसे करके निकलना है. ठीक है. इस चीज़ को ध्यान रखिएगा. और अगर रिंग वगैरह पहने हैं तो मेंटली प्रिपेयर रहिएगा कि इसको कैसे जस्टिफाई करेंगे. मतलब हम सिर्फ वो एरिया इंडिकेट कर रहे हैं जहाँ आपको तैयार रहना है, ठीक है। कई बार लोग उस पर भी सवाल उठा देते हैं, ठीक है। उसके अलावा अपना जो पॉलिटिकल एफिलिएशन है, बैलेंस तरीके से कोई भी जवाब दे रहे हैं तो एटलीस्ट फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन से तो न्यूट्रलिटी झलकनी चाहिए, मतलब उधर कुछ ऐसा न लगे कि झुकाव है, ठीक है। और अगर मैंने कहा मान लीजिए क्रिटिकल इवैल्यूएशन, तो आपको नेगेटिव बताना है, तो अगर आप डाइवर्सिफाइड कर देंगे एरिया को, एक इकोनॉमी के फील्ड में, एक किसी और सोशल सेक्टर में, आप समझिए, तो थोड़ा सा और बढ़िया आंसर हो जाएगा, ठीक है। तो थोड़ा सा उस फ्रंट्स पे भी आप देख लीजिए। और बाकी सब अच्छा है। करंट थोड़ा देख लीजिएगा, मतलब देख लेंगे तो अच्छा होगा, क्योंकि लोग जानते हैं कि वर्किंग है तो उतना, मतलब वो थोड़ा सा एक समझ रहे हैं, लेकिन अगर आप देख लेंगे और बताएंगे तो बहुत बढ़िया इंप्रेशन हो जाएगा। ये सारे मैं फीडबैक इसलिए दे रहा हूँ कि आप अच्छा करेंगे, तो थोड़ा सा और अपना मतलब कंटेंट पे काम थोड़ा बढ़ाइए। और बाकी पर्सनैलिटी के लेवल पे तो आपका सब कुछ अच्छा है, बस थोड़ा रिफाइनमेंट की इधर उधर ज़रूरत है, तो डेफिनेटली आप अच्छा करेंगे।
थोड़ा सा मैं नर्वस हो गया था सर।
हाँ, शुरू में मुझे लगता है वो ज्योग्राफी के में या कुछ ऐसा इन चीज़ों को लेके, या क्यों नर्वस हो गए थे, मतलब आपको तो नहीं होना चाहिए ऐसा। हाँ,
मतलब सर एक्सपेक्टेशन ज़्यादा था, मैंने रियली मेहनत की थी सर।
अच्छा,
लेकिन आंसर उस हिसाब से नहीं निकल रहे थे, मैंने खुद से फील कर लिया था
अच्छा,
कि जिस तरह का आंसर निकलना चाहिए, तो एक थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल डाउन हो गया था।
ओके ओके। देखिए ये भी एक मतलब बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है कि किसी पॉइंट पे अगर आप नर्वस हो रहे हैं तो कैसे फिर ओवरकम करके उसको फिर एकदम नॉर्मल हो जाना है। यानी अगर कोई चीज़ नहीं आती तो उसको बहुत पोलाइटली कहा, सॉरी सर मुझे जानकारी नहीं, लेकिन उसका इम्पैक्ट अगले क्वेश्चन में नहीं दिखना चाहिए। आप समझ रहे हैं मैं क्या कहना चाह रहा हूँ। तो वो मॉक सेशन से नॉर्मली थोड़ा सा दूर होता है। तो कोई नहीं, डेफिनेटली आप अच्छा करेंगे।
थैंक यू सर।
ठीक है,
थैंक्स।
ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट।